We have addition of polynomials. In this example, we have 3 polynomials because every polynomial has 3 terms, so they are trinomials. So how we add polynomials? We have to combine the like terms, so the same variable with the same power. We have already the like terms in columns. We see with t as the first column, next with t squared and t cubed. So now we have to just copy variable. We have t, so we copy t, and next we have to add the coefficients. We have -5 plus 3 is -2, and -2 will be -4. Next, we have t squared, so we copy variable t squared, and we have to add the coefficients before t squared. When we don't have coefficient, it's always 1. 1, 1, so we have +1, -1, so it will be 0. And we have +3, so we copy +3. Next, we have t cubed, so we copy t cubed, and we have to add the coefficients before t cubed. When we don't have the coefficient, it means it's always indivisible 1, like I said before. So we have -1 plus 2 is 1. 1 minus 1, here's invisible 1, is 0. So we have 0 terms with t cubed, like 0 times t cubed. 0 times t cubed is 0. So we have that this is equal 0 plus t squared, 3t squared minus 4t. So this is equal, we don't have to write that 0, so it will be 3t squared minus 4t. This is my solution.